Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am from CAD NEST. I am a CAD engineer. So let's start with the video. So today I am just going to start about the AutoCAD topic, that is grouping the objects. So how to group the objects. So how we are going to make this grouping? For that example, let it be I am just going to make one plan. Now see, this is my plan here. For this one, what I'll do here, I want to make a group for this one. So for this one, if you want to make a group, select the plan here. After selecting the plan here, you can see the group option here. If I click the group option, now it is in group here. If I click this one, now it is, so wherever you want, how you want, you can move this one, the group. After that, see here, you can see one option called selection on and off. If you off this one, now it won't show in the group, but it is there in the group only, but it launch as a group. If I'll click this one, and now it will shows in the group here. Next, it is here group editing. Under group editing, what we can do here, you can make this group editing, and you can see here, if you are making a group editing for this one, so you can remove the object. If you want to add the object, you can add this one. Now see, if I'm going to remove the object, suppose this two I have just removed from this one. If I select, now you can see this one, now this two lines, two walls is removed from that object. So that is called editing option. So next it is here ungroup. Again, if you want to make this one as a from group to ungroup, then you can click this one as ungroup. So hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching.